Alright guys, so I know I'm looking a little crazy, but today I am getting ready to do a little in-house photo shoot for my birthday. My birthday is February 9th. I'll be 25. So yeah, I'm gonna do a little in-house photo shoot, do some headshots, just some, you know, something slight. Chris is gonna take the pictures. So I have some inspiration photos from Pinterest for kind of like what I'm going for. One of them was like the main ones with like the gold. So I have that as an option, but I'm kind of scared to like try it out. So we're just gonna see how it goes. I'm going to get my hair ready. I'm just doing a low bun. I was letting my hair set, waves on swim, so the hit's on him. And I'm gonna do like a low bun, but I'm gonna add hair so that's a little bit thicker and bigger. It's looking good so far, so I'm feeling good about that. And then I'll do my makeup. We'll just see what happens. And normally I always am rocking like a drawstring ponytail, but I wanted to do a bun instead just to give a different look. My good side is my left side, so I kind of want that one to be better looking, just in case I'm like, you know. Okay, so second step is getting my makeup done. I just moisturize my face with my Fenty, and then I'm going to like do my makeup look. So I'm not a makeup artist or a makeup YouTuber, so I'm not gonna do a step-step tutorial type thing. I need to focus on doing it and doing it good. So yeah, it's different, but it might be too dark. This is a disaster. Beautiful, I just want you to know. It looks so good. Wow, see, this why you shouldn't doubt yourself. What is happening right here though? I think it looks great. What do you think? Overall, I think the makeup looks great. So Chris just said he is on the way. Magnifico. So now I'm just going to put on my outfit, put on my earrings, and then start getting set up for the backdrop. So I have the outfit on. It's like this dress. But I'm kind of nervous, you guys, about doing the gold. I don't know, I'm kind of nervous about putting the gold on me. Maybe we'll do it at the end after we get some other shots. We'll do it at the end. Okay, bye. Look who's here. The photographer. Already went outside. So, Christian made it here, and we're moving the table so that we can use this back wall for the backdrop space and take some nice flicks. So, Christian, what are you shooting with today?
Sony A7 III. You know, we got out here. Let's see. How the YouTubers be doing it?
The beauty
like that?
bloggers.
Yeah, beauty blender YouTubers.
Beauty
like
bloggers.
That. Beauty bloggers, I meant. Like that. I'm not focusing. There you go. Like that. You need a full 360 view. Bow. Bow.
So what makes this camera good for for portraits? I won't say for photography. What makes that camera good for portraits?
I don't know.
Okay.
The price?
The price. You said the price.
Because you're gonna be saying, oh, you're gonna be saying.
Well, yeah, I'm gonna be saying no.
But no, it's again.
I guess
I'm still framing it. It won't even be in view.
Okay, cool.
Because if I'm doing close up, I will be like up here.
Really? You gotta be that close?
That's what
To
close
get
up
good?
is.
Oh, I thought you'd zoom. Okay. Okay. Well, if you're up close, I just might be a little nervous because it's right in my face.
Oh, that's how it is. You act like you haven't taken pictures before.
I haven't taken pictures in a
With
minute.
professionals.
I know, but
I'm amateur.
I haven't taken it in a minute. You know what I mean? But you're right, because I'll be in my zone. As soon as the things start cha-ching, cha-ching, I'll be like.
Okay, where's the thing to hold it?
Oh, that's not bad.
No. But your shadow.
Yeah. Like that part is good without the shadow.
Yeah.
We're not there with the shadow. So do I need to bring more light?
Yeah.
And do you have to be from the side or straight?
I mean, I'm gonna cover the light, but
okay.
Or maybe I could shoot it.
Y'all, these looking good. I'm so happy. Serve the apples just like this.
Oh, this one looks cool.
I don't know what to do with my hands. More rich.
Your skin tone looks, yeah, more rich, more perfect how it is.
Yeah. Oh, thank you, baby. He says my skin tone is perfect.
Very good.
Okay. I didn't show you guys, but I got some gold on. And I'm a gold queen.
I said gold.
That's what you want me to say.
It doesn't have to be stud, but
Oh my god, babe.
anything that like pops.
Okay.
Pops gold.
Well, I have a dainty one.
Your mama looking fine, Abba. Huh? I said your mama looking fine. You go to the side actually, I like that. One more.
Oh, those are cool on the ground. Well, let's do some on the ground, me laying.
Okay.
Okay. All right, guys, we're gonna try to.
So then let's do it with the mirror.
Oh, yeah.
That should work. Yeah, that's perfect.
Try to have something.
Yeah.
Woo! These are it. These are it. These are mother freaking it. I told you. I told you. I told you. Told you. Told you. And my YouTube gets to see all of the behind the scenes of everything that we just did. So now we need to go get some food in our system. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know which photo you liked best, because I'm gonna put some of like our top photos in there from the different scenes. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure to go follow me on Instagram at heyitsalexis. And I already talked about it earlier, but follow his photography Instagram. He does street photography. It's Chrisography, just Chrisography, right? No underscore?
There is an underscore.
Chrisography underscore?
I think so.
I'll put it here. So make sure you guys also just follow his street photography page. But yeah, so now I need to go wash this gold off me. Ooh, I'm so excited. Woo! Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye.